it's my personal dream come true. I've loved these old houses forever, and I don't think you really realize until it happens. We knew that the windows had to be replaced. They were old. And you just don't even realize it. And once the windows come in, it's like you're in an old or a new old home. Like everything looks so brand new, but you're still in a 130-year-old house, which is really cool. The experience was wonderful. When we had the individuals come and talk to us about installing windows, that was my biggest concern, because this house is unique. It's got its imperfections that we love, but we knew that nothing that we did in this house was going to be easy. And the windows, to me, were tenfold because they're surrounded by brick. It's not like you can just sit there and, fill everything and make everything work. So it was very important to me to have installers and people that kind of loved this house as much as I did, that really wanted to make it look good, and it's been marvelous. Clean, tidy. Oh, they were wonderful. They had drop cloths. When they left, there was little to none cleaning. A renovation's you're always cleaning. You're always doing something because you're tearing apart the house. But it was spotless. The outside was done. They picked up all their tools every day. Every day they came out here, they brought all their tools out, they picked them all up. They came the next day and it was like, you can leave them. I felt bad, but nope, garbage was done. There was nothing left. It was pretty amazing, actually. So I've always loved black, and I thought with the brick it would just stand out better. However, with it being an old house, I wanted still the light inside. So I was really kind of torn. What color did I want to go with when they said, well, we can do black outside and white inside, and it was like just a really brilliant moment because it was exactly what I wanted, and I had no idea you could do it, like none. So it's beautiful because the house is light inside and it stays light and bright. But I think the black on the outside just pops the brick and everything. I just love it. I would highly recommend Durabuilt Windows and Doors, absolutely, for sure. They're without a doubt.